Hello guys, welcome back to Java Python Interview Hub. Now, our second question is, in a manual testing, one of the most important question, what is SDLC? Means Software Development Lifecycle. Short answer is SDLC stands for Software Development Lifecycle. It defines step to development software and mention the step in a particular manner. So first phase is requirement, second is design, third is development, then testing, deployment and maintenance. Testing is one of the critical phases. SDLC helps teams deliver quality software on time. It ensures structured development and easy error detection. So if you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more this type of interview questions. Thank you very much guys.